we're not changing the guidance on how you should basically be living your life, except in a couple of ways, and that's to do with putting a mask on in some contexts, such as retail and public transport, to stop transmission, and also making sure that we check people when they arrive into the country.
If that's the case and only small changes are being requested by you, what do you think Jennie Harries, your advisor, said this morning that people should think about, in her words, not socialising when you don't particularly need to over the winter months? Why do you disagree with her?
I think it's always sensible to be careful, and I think what Jennie is saying there is right. You know, we've been living with a pandemic for a long time. People should continue to do things like make sure they have lots of fresh air, they wash their hands, and take normal precautions. I think that's entirely reasonable. But we're not going to change the overall guidance. We don't think that's necessary. We don't see anything to suggest that we need to go, for instance, to Plan B. But what we do need to do is take particular precautions against Omicron until we've worked out exactly what kind of a threat it may present.